Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of Harold's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be covering the Altec Lansing Baby Boom XL rugged Bluetooth speaker. Now it says right here that it is waterproof, snowproof, and dirtproof. We are definitely going to be putting the waterproof to the test today. Probably not snow, it's summer, and I'm not going to do the dirt, I just don't feel like it, to be honest. Alright, let's try to crack this bad boy open. That's always the best part. I'm starting to think that this channel isn't an unboxing channel. It's more of like a tutorial on how to open difficult packaging. Okay, it says to press on these things. Wow, that is lighter than I expected it to be. Looks like it comes with a carabiner clip, so if you want to put it on your belt, go skydiving with it or something. Did they charge it for us?
Powering on.
Oh.
Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Does it talk to you? I wonder if it... I don't think it has anything like Siri or Alexa. Let's see what this thing on the bottom is. I hope this doesn't open up and show me anything like an electric thing or something, because I don't know. This is supposed to be waterproof. No, it's not a button. This is supposed to be waterproof, and this is like a plug for like the charger or something. That's not going to be great. In fact, I think that's exactly what it is. I am less confident about the waterproof. Although, judging on how hard it is to open it, maybe it'll keep water out. Certainly keeping me out, I give up. Okay, so I think we're going to give this a little dunk in some water, so we'll be right back with that. Alright guys, so put it in my shower here, and I think we're going to give it a test, see how it holds up. Okay, we got that royalty-free music on. That's what's up. Alright, the shower isn't really cooperating. We're going to have to get in there, give it a little bit of a kick. Just abuse it. Now, let's put it right up against the water here. Whoa! The base is pushing out the water. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's going to shake itself dry now too, I think. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with this, to be honest, guys. And I was worried about this thing, but not a problem, apparently. It also says you can submerge it in water, so hell, let's give that a try. Here we go. Man, that is pouring straight into the speaker, and it just... Let's see if I can turn the volume up. It seems to be getting a little quieter. I think it's just literally because it's under the water. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow. Well, help. See, it's shaking itself dry. That's something. Alright, guys, I think we're just going to go back in the other room and see if we missed anything with the literature. Maybe check out this charging port, and that'll be it. Alright, guys, so we're back in the review room, and still a little bit damp, but I feel like it's just going to dry itself out, no problem. The sound quality didn't change at all. It sounded a little different only when it was literally underwater. So, I mean, that's just how sound works. Can't hold it against the speaker. This thing is still really hard to get off, though. So, I don't know if we're ever going to get there. Alright, so I got it open after an undisclosed amount of time and crying. We did it. So, yep, it's just the charger port and a reset button. I think you're going to need a pin to get in there. That is definitely not meant to be pressed. So I guess just to wrap things up, I really think this is a worthwhile little speaker to get for a hike, bring it to the beach, bring it into the water when you're at the beach. I mean, you kind of be that guy, kind of be rude, but hey, you can do it. And looks like they didn't include... Oh, wait, guys, there's stickers. Okay, so we're going to be doing a giveaway sticker. Oh, it's... Never mind, no giveaway, no stickers, guys. Just an oddly shaped manual. That is... I'm going to have to take points off for this manual. That is annoying. Seems like it tells you everything you need to know. Well, that's good. Is it... No, not a sticker. They keep getting me excited with sticker-looking objects. Oh! Stickers, guys. Stickers. Okay, so we're going to be doing a giveaway. You know, like, subscribe, favorite, and, you know, one of you guys is going to win. Not all the stickers. I'm going to keep some of them, but some of the stickers. Like, subscribe. Keep those notifications on. Oh, and it comes with a carabiner clip. So, yeah, you can just clip that right to your belt. Go skydiving. All right, that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, favorite, Harold's Tech Reviews.